Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video today we are going to look at multiple line graphs. First off, what is multiple line graph? A multiple line graph shows the relationship between independent and dependent values of multiple sets of data. Usually, multiple line graphs are used to show trends over time. In the graph, each data value is represented by a point in the graph that are connected by a line. Multiple line graphs are graphs that show consecutive observations of one or more variables. Draw a multiple line graph to the following data. So here the data has been given: fall of wickets, runs, wickets, India, Pakistan. First wicket for India 136, for Pakistan 30. Second wickets for India at the score 234, for Pakistan 117. Third wickets for India, the score is at 285, for Pakistan 126. Fourth wicket for India at the score 298, for Pakistan 129. Fifth wicket for India 314, for Pakistan 129. Sixth wicket for Pakistan 165. This is the data. We have to create a line chart. To draw a multiple line graph, do the following steps. Step 1. Open an Excel workbook and enter the given data. Step 2. Select the cells that contains the data you want to create a chart. Step 3. Click the insert menu to create a chart. Then the tools available in the insert menu will be displayed. There, choose the chart type whichever you want to create. Then the chart is placed on the worksheet as an embedded chart. If you want to place the chart in a separate sheet, you can change its location. Step 4. Select the graph and choose the design menu from the menus and click on select data and then click on edit button. Step 5. Select the inserted graph. Step 6. Now select layout menu and click on chart title to edit the title. Step 7. Give the title as multiple line graph. So these are all the steps you are going to follow to create a multiple line graph with the help of Excel. So this is the opening screen of my desktop. First off, click the start button here. Then the screen will look like this. There you can find the Excel icon. Click the Excel icon to launch Excel. Then this screen will open. Then click here to create a blank worksheet. Now you have successfully launched the Excel workbook. Now we are going to enter the data you want to create a chart. So this is the first step. Open an Excel workbook and enter the given data. So this is the Excel workbook. Here we have entered the data. So this is the data we have entered for creating a multiple line graph. And then select the cells that contains the data you want to use for the chart. So here we have selected the data. So this is the data we have selected for creating a multiple line graph. Now select the insert tab in the menu bar. So this is the insert tab. Click here. Then the tools available in the insert menu will be displayed. So these are all the tools available in the insert menu. Now click here to create a line chart. So this is the line chart icon. So click the line chart icon. This is the line chart icon. So here we have to click. Then the screen will look like this. Now click the option more line chart. So this is the option more line chart. Now click here. Then the insert chart tab will open. So this is the insert chart tab. So now click here to create the multiple line chart. And then click OK. Then the chart will be inserted on your Excel worksheet. So this is the chart we have created. It has been inserted on our current worksheet. Now click here to choose the layout menu. Then the inserted graph would have been changed as your selected layout. Finally, the multiple line graph has been created and it has been shown below. So this is the multiple line graph we have created. Now we are going to add chart elements. Select the inserted line graph and click the design tab. Then the screen will look like this. Now click add chart elements. Then the chart elements will be displayed on the screen. So these are all the chart element. Now click here to create the axis title. Now click here to create the x-axis title. To edit the x-axis title, what you have to do is click here the x-axis title, primary horizontal axis. Now click here to edit the x-axis title. Now the title has been edited as wickets. Similarly, click here to create the y-axis title. Now click here to edit the y-axis title. Now the y-axis title has been edited as runs. Now place your mouse pointer in any cell of your active sheet, then click. Now the multiple line graph has been successfully inserted on your active worksheet. So this is the multiple line graph we have created for the given data. Thank you. Share your valuable ideas and comments in the chat box.